This is a recipe to make soft pretzels. The first step is to whisk 2 1/4 teaspoons of instant or active dry yeast or 1 standard packet into 1½ cups of warm water. It should be lukewarm. While there is no need to take the temperature, around 100 degrees Fahrenheit will work best. Allow to sit for 1 minute. Whisk in 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon brown sugar or granulated sugar, and 1 tablespoon unsalted butter, melted and slightly cool. Slowly add 3 cups of flour, 1 cup at a time. Mix with a wooden spoon or dough hook attached to a stand mixer until dough is thick. Add 3/4 cup more flour until the dough is no longer sticky. If it is still sticky, add 1/4 to 1/2 cup more, as needed. Poke the dough with your finger. If it bounces back, it is ready to knead. Turn the dough out onto a floured surface. Knead the dough for 3 minutes and shape into a ball. Cover lightly with a towel and allow to rest for 10 minutes. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper or silicone baking mats. Silicone baking mats are highly recommended over parchment paper. If using parchment paper, lightly spray with non-stick spray or grease with butter. Set aside. With a sharp knife or pizza cutter, cut dough into sections that weigh 75 grams each. Roll the dough into a 20 to 22 inch rope. Form a circle with the dough by bringing the 2 ends together at the top of the circle. Twist the ends together. Bring the twisted ends back down towards yourself and press them down to form a pretzel shape. Bring a ½ cup baking soda and 9 cups of water to a boil in a large pot. Drop 1 to 2 pretzels into the boiling water for 20 to 30 seconds. Any more than that and your pretzels will have a metallic taste. Using a slotted spatula, lift the pretzel out of the water and allow all the excess water to drip off. Place pretzel onto prepared baking sheet. Sprinkle each with coarse sea salt. Repeat with remaining pretzels. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. Remove from the oven and serve warm. You can cover and store leftover pretzels at room temperature for up to 3 days.